food driven.
Yeah.
There was no toys that would show anything because we can't get him to barely sit or lay down because he is too focused on the food.
Okay.
What is a good way to...
Okay, here's a game you can play. It's called It's Your Choice. So I've got a handful of really awesome treats. I'm going to make a fist. I'm going to explain it to you first, and then I'll show you with him. He hasn't done this game in a while, so hopefully we'll see what he does. So I'm going to hold my fist, and I'm going to hold it down where he can get to it. What he's going to do is he's going to paw at it, he's going to nibble on it, he's going to try to get it. I'm not going to let him have it. The moment he maybe backs away, my hand will open, so he can see the food, but he's going to try to dive in.
Right.
Closes again. As soon as he backs away a little, it opens. He's going to dive in again, it closes. Eventually, if he backs up and allows you to have it open for just a split second, he gets a treat.
Okay.
So what you're doing is you're teaching him that he has to have some self-control in order to get the goods. Like, just lunging at it and trying to bite it and get it does nothing. So let's see how it works. See that? Good boy. Good job. Good. So yeah, he remembers this game. Good boy. See, can you see that? Yeah. And then eventually you get to the point, once you play this and he understands it, we can put the treats on the ground. Now this is a lot harder. And cover them. He's going to do the same thing. And they have to, yeah, we've done so long. And I'm going to lift my hand when he backs away, but he's going to dive in. It's a lot harder, isn't it?
When you were talking, he was nodding his head up and down.
There's a lot. Good, that was good. He moved his head away enough. Okay, that I felt comfortable giving it to. But yeah, the idea being that if you play this game enough, and you can play it with food, you can play it with toys, for those of you that have dogs that like toys, you're going to get some self-control on him. So like, let's say you're cooking in the kitchen, and you drop an onion on the floor, which is something obviously dogs can't have. If you taught him those things, he won't dive in to get it. And you'll have a chance to pick it up off the floor.
Okay.
So yeah, it takes some time. It's not an easy thing, but building that self-control with an excitable dog especially, it's totally worth it. Yeah. All right, guys, that's all the time we have. You guys can meet him, but let's go. Hey, let's form a line right behind this young lady. Everybody get in line behind this young lady.